TikTok says it is safe, but many users are not convinced. In the days after TikTok announced a new US-based joint venture to keep the app running, something unexpected happened. American users began deleting the app in large numbers. So why is the deal meant to save TikTok triggering a backlash instead? For context, as of early 2026, TikTok has close to 1 billion monthly users worldwide. In the US, its largest and most critical market, more than 130 million people use the app every month, more than Instagram or Facebook. That is why the latest data stands out. According to market intelligence firm Sensor Tower, the daily average of TikTok uninstalls in the US has jumped by nearly 150% over the past 5 days. That is compared with the average uninstall rate over the previous 3 months. The spike came immediately after TikTok confirmed that its US operations would be housed under a newly formed joint venture led by American management. Former TikTok head of operations Adam Presser has been named CEO of the new entity. The turning point came when users were prompted to agree to an updated privacy policy. Social media quickly filled with concerns, particularly around language describing the kinds of data TikTok may collect. Users highlighted references to sensitive information, including racial or ethnic origin, sexual orientation, gender identity, immigration status, and financial data. Importantly, that language is not new. Reports show archived versions of TikTok's privacy policy from August 2024 include the same provisions. But the timing, arriving just after the joint venture announcement, reignited fears around surveillance and control. Several creators with millions of followers publicly deleted their accounts, saying TikTok has not clearly explained what the new structure means for creators. Here is the nuance. Despite the spike in deletions, TikTok's overall active user numbers in the US remain largely flat, according to Sensor Tower. In other words, more people are uninstalling the app, but not enough so far to dent overall usage. That said, rivals are benefiting. Downloads of newer platforms such as Upscrolled surged more than tenfold. Skylight Social saw downloads jump over 900%, and China-based RedNote also recorded a noticeable rise. The churn has not crippled TikTok, but it has created space for competitors to step in. Legally, TikTok may have bought itself time in the US. Winning back user trust, however, could prove to be the harder test. Follow for more such stories.